There's really no rocket science to the bands. I made them with ChatGPT based on a couple of EMAs that I've back tested. And if you just look at the weekly time frame for the bands, you can see that they're very good at confirming when we're in a bear market, right? When the bands turn red, we're in a bear market. When the bands turn green, we're heading into a bull market, okay? Hence, the bands, for the first time throughout this cycle, have now confirmed red, and they're starting to create separation, right? So that was third signal. Weekly TT bands bearish. Now weekly order flow is bearish. The last key signal I'll point out to you, and if you're a crypto investor or trader, note these signals, okay? Note these signals and track them for the macro cycle. Go and back test them yourself, as I have, and you'll see the importance of these 4 signals that if you wanted to be a passive investor in Bitcoin and you tracked just those 4 signals and mastered them, you'd be on the right side of the move most of the time, okay? Now, the final signal was the weekly order flow turning bearish. Now, when I look at order flow, I use fair value gaps as a proxy on order flow. In my on my YouTube channel, if you go to in my building block series, I've done an episode that says reading order flow through fair value gaps. That'll explain what I mean. I'm not going to break it down on here. But just to show you the specific signal, when price made this move up here, okay, you see that was the final expansion into our final range, okay, where the high was created and where the sweep occurred. What I map out is into that final expansion, where was the last major fair value gap, which was here. And if you back test this in historical cycles, this weekly most recent fair value gap never gets inverted unless we're transitioning to a bear market, because what it represents is the fact that buyers are losing momentum and the order flow is shifting to the sell side, okay?